Okay. Merry Christmas, Vladimir. Whoa! A wicker ball? You love these. No way. And what else? Oh, what else went in here, huh? Toys? Toys for Vladimir that he loves? No way. Yo, what's that about? What's that about? What the hell, eh? What the hell? That's some pretty sick shit, huh? He's very scared. Says there's too much going on today. Yeah. Okay, what was the section order? There you go. You want this one too? Can I put it over there? That corner's looking pretty barren. Yeah. Thanks, bud. Don't do that. Don't attack your poor mother. Look how many toys you got. Where did I throw your wicker ball? Did you enjoy your popcorn? I see it all over your cage, eh? Did you have some good stuff? Okay, who's next? Brad, do you want to see what you got? What did Brad get? Huh? No way. No way, what is that? Is that a toy for Brad? Wow. That's pretty cool, huh? And did you know that you have two? Yeah? Look. And Chad's gonna get one too. Oh, he's afraid. Can you step up? Oh, no? Okay. Hi. Does Chad want to see what's in his? No way. No way, you got some toys too? No way. You guys are really lucky, huh? Your mom and dad must really love you. So lucky. Okay, who wants to come down and get their treats? Who's gonna come down and get their treats, huh? Okay. Good boy. And come down. You have to come down and get it. Do you not want your treat? Come on. Come here. Good boy. Is that good stuff? Look, I put more treats in your toy. I know, you just want all the sunflower seeds. You gotta forage for them, look. Here. Sprinkle them in there. Okay. Brad. Good boy. Wow, good job, buddy. He really likes to do a bite of stuff and then just drop it. Look, treats are in there. Yeah, your treats are in there and your toys. No way, come play with your toys. Did you have a good Christmas? Yeah, this is what Christmas is all about. All about gifts. We don't know anything about a dude named Chris. Yeah. Mwah! I love you. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Thank you. Mwah! Good boy. Enjoy your toy, okay? Enjoy that fun stuff. You too, Vladimir. Would you like a couple extra treats as well? Pistachio, see? And you're gonna get a click. Good boy. Good boy. There was no reaction at all to that. You're so brave. You're so brave. He says, I'm so overwhelmed. Get out. No way. What's going on with Peachy Pie? She knows. No, over there. Hi, my love. No, check out what you have. Can I scoop her? Look! What's in there? Yeah, it's still way too small for her.
She's chunky now.
She do be chunky. But it'll be fun for Chew, huh?
She's the size of a house.
Why did we think she was so small?
She's a giant now.
Are you too big? Are you too big?
She used to be teeny tiny.
Yeah, my little lady. Thank you for the kisses. I think she's happy.
Cole Sprouse, the fact that you didn't make out with your best friend KJ Appa on camera as Jughead and Archie is a crime to the Riverdale community. It's a crime. And you know what? I'm in Riverdale. I'm Riverdale State. I'm a weirdo. I don't fit in it. I don't want to fit in. Honestly, maybe it looks so stupid because it's in 2x speed, but I don't want to go to 1x speed and double check. That's so funny, dude. That shot, you're telling me that he went on to do a basketball sensation? That's what
I'm gonna say this right now and real quick. Don't buy those fucking expensive fast millet holders. Get a pack of these toy springs at the dollar store for $1.50. They just like bloop, 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 right in the cage. You can use them for fucking toys and shit. I'm so passionate about this.
Yeah? Do you think I'm making something for you? Do you think I'm making something for you to enjoy? I might be. I might be. You never know.